Well, I'm in charge of sustainability for Alstom, which is a pure player in transport. And so, energy and climate change issues are very important for transport sector. So that's why I'm here.
Okay, and tell me about the low carbon transport projects that you're working with.
We are specifically now working on the development of trams. Trams are very efficient, comfortable and sustainable solutions that we want to deploy in order to support the reduction of CO2 emissions worldwide.
And what are your main markets? What kind of cities are you working with to do this?
We are a leader on the tramway market since we started with our first launch of the Citadis in the 90s. Now we have more than 54 cities that are equipped with trams. For example, we work in Spain, we work in Brazil, we work in North Africa, and obviously in France also.
What do you hope to see out of this COP? What would really give your business a boost?
For me, what is important in this COP is that transport gets the right visibility, because in the past there was a strong focus on energy. And I think transport deserves full attention. It's 23% of worldwide emissions from fuel combustion.
So you want to see transport be mentioned or be part of the focus and visibility. Are you doing any events while you are here?
Well, we are doing a number of speeches, notably at the Transport Day, and we were also a sponsor of the PPMC, the Paris Process for Mobility and Climate. There was a transport event yesterday morning in the Lima's Paris Action Agenda, where transport was fully visible, and there were a lot of contributions from many actors in the sector, and we're very happy with that.
Great, and have you made any business contacts that you're going to take away then?
I don't think this is the place to make business contact, but really we want to support this move of the transport sector to get higher visibility in the context of negotiation, because we believe we have solutions that can really contribute to sustainable global transport systems, like the Citadis tram I was mentioning.
So can you give me an example of a project that you're working on?
Well, I think we did a great project in Casablanca. You know, Morocco is going to host COP22, so I wanted to mention it. In Casablanca, we provided a tramway to equip the 30-kilometer line. The tramway project was a great opportunity for the city to renovate the urban area along the lines, developing pedestrian areas, renovating roads and sidewalks, and also planting trees. I think they planted something like 4,000 trees. People really love the project. The readership is increasing. There's more than 36% of increase between 2013 and 2014. So now there's something like 120,000 people taking the tram every day. Also, this tram was an opportunity to create a social link between the areas that are less favored and the city center. So it's also giving access to mobility for many people in the urban area.
Great, so it really changes the character of the city. Wonderful. All right, thank you.
Thanks.